Welcome back. I'm Howard Martell, known as the Home Profit Coach here in Virginia Beach, Virginia. So let me go on the screen here so you can see me live and in living color. All right, so let's do this. Our next subject is personal growth skills that will pay forever in your specific home based business. These are two of the next benefits that I promised you. Welcome back again. I'm Howard Martell. Today, our home based business benefits series, I'm sharing some benefits most people don't think about at first, but it's one of the most valuable. Benefit number two, personal growth and skill building, right? Let's say that's two and three. A home business forces you in a good way to learn skills that can pay you for the rest of your life. Because when you start something from home, you naturally begin learning things like how to communicate clearly, how to solve problems for people, how to follow up consistently, and how to market without being pushy, and how to manage your time and stay disciplined. And here's the truth, a lot of people are sitting on great potential, but they haven't had a reason to develop it. A home business gives you that reason. Now, I want to make this practical. If you're brand new, don't try to learn everything at once. Instead, focus on one skill for 7 days, then stack the next one. Start like you're walking when you first were born and stuff, and how you were relied on your parents, right? And then as you got to your 1, 2, 3 year olds, you started getting up and started walking. Take it in small baby steps. And here are three starter skills that make the biggest difference fast. Skill number one, consistent follow up. No spam, no pressure, just consistent check ins and values. Most people lose sales not because the person said no, but because they never followed up. I have a system in place that automatically follows up with me, right? Now, I use automated tools for that, but I also can develop it and create that relationship, right? Because we are in the relationship marketing, network marketing, affiliate marketing. You are providing a product or a product or physical or digital that is providing a solution to that client's needs, or what we call a prospect. Skill number two, simple content. One helpful post a day, a short live, a quick tip. Now, you're not trying to go viral, you're trying to be clear and consistent so people know what you do. What solution do you provide your audience? What is your niche? Is it list building? Is it how to understand how to provide list building? Is it coaching? Is it some the latest and greatest product that helps you lose weight? What is it? What solution are you providing, right? And then you need to create your unique story. You can use AI to help you with that. And that's what I do. I come up with the ideas and then I tweak it, and then it makes it sounds like me being authentic. Skill number three, basic sales conversations. That means asking questions, listening, and offering the next step when it makes sense. Selling is not something you do to people, it's something you do for people when you can genuinely help. And the best part is these skills transfer. Even if you change products, change programs, or change direction, the skills stay with you. So that benefit is simple. You become more capable, more confident, and more valuable. If you want my recommended starter skill list, comment skill. I'll be glad to share that with you. In the next episode, I'll cover a benefit that matters to families and anyone who wants more peace of mind, building community and support system that keeps you moving forward. That keeps you moving forward. Please like, subscribe, and share out these short videos. I'm trying to make these short videos so you can have the best experience in your business or if you're thinking about a business? May I have some money? You got to understand that to have money, you need to work for it. And that's where a home based business comes in because it teaches you concepts that your general education will not teach you, even college will not teach you. With that being said, this has been the Home Profit Coach here in Virginia Beach, Virginia. Thank you. Please like, share with those that you care about and that you love to build more of a following. Take care. Bye.